In an effort to allegedly consolidate his grip on power, Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa reportedly initiated a series of key appointments within the military and state security services, according to sources within the government. Sanabira mashikumbulani kwa pana vachinzi akutungamirira nyika kuconsolidate power nekureshafula kwari kuita military neintelligence leadership. Sanabira mashikumbulani pana probo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timamniyanda pobulani kwa mchinzi. According to sources, we spoke to prominent award-winning investigative journalist Bobo Chung'ono. Retired Brigadier General Ashawater Tafumane is set to become the Chief of Staff of the Army with a promotion to Major General. Tafumane, who previously served as Deputy Director General Operations of the Central Intelligence Organization CIO, is reported to have a strained relationship with the Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. His involvement in establishing the Forever Associate Zimbabwe Trust FAS, a prominent Mnangagwa entity active during the 2023 elections, has also been noted. FAS's activities reportedly included voter mobilization and presence at polling stations. Tafumane is seen as a potential successor to the recently appointed commander of the Zimbabwe National Army, Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu. In the CIO, Chung'ono has reported that Paul Chikawa has been appointed as the new deputy director of the external branch. The appointments are being viewed by some as consolidation of Mnangagwa's control over key security apparatus. This comes at a time when Mnangagwa and his deputy Chiwenga are locked in a bitter succession dispute. The president is allegedly planning to amend the constitution to allow him to extend his term of office beyond the constitutionally mandated two-term limit. Chiwenga is viewed as the front-runner in the race to replace Mnangagwa is opposed to his plan. The rift between the two Zimbabwean ZANU-PF leaders is culminated into massive factionalism within ZANU-PF. Ndio mashwara kuda pana pachonekwa kunzi aiwa panguva ino hazvina kumira mushe vari kuonekwa kuti nyika is consolidating power through aiwa kwapoinda maallies ake kumilitary nekuCIO. Ndinenge mese kuchemedza mafungiro enyu musangano subscribe or like chat on the bell icon.